So I'm over here at the Home Depot. I got some other stops I got to make. I want to try to see what they have for the garden season that's going to be starting next week. So in this video, we're going to show, just basically have y'all come shopping with me. So let's get growing. All right. This is a rack that you can use for a seedling rack. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we just left Home Depot. Didn't really find too much that I was too impressed with. So now we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree where Miss Linda always shows us good deals that she normally gets from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna see if this Dollar Tree has some deals and some gardening stuff as well. So they got some peppers, some other stuff. Would like to know if these are bush beans. Look like those are pole beans. So those would not be good for an apartment unless you have a way to do trellises. Lettuce would be good. And I see that they have these flower rocket that Miss Linda was talking about. I think we might try these. Let's see. And they got a few stuff. I like these. These would be probably good for my patio because it does have a lot of shade. But if you have a lot of areas that does a lot of sunny area, you got that. And these open pollinators, I probably might try to get some of those as well. They don't have everything like Miss Linda was saying, but they have a few stuff. Decorating stuff. love the butterfly ones. Hope and peace. Flower pot holders. So didn't find anything in the Dollar Tree. They had a very small selection. They had more Valentine's Day and St. Patty's Day stuff, more than gardening stuff. So I don't think gardening season has just hit Georgia yet. Now we're gonna try to go to Lowe's. Let's see what Lowe's has for us, and then from there we're gonna probably check Wally World. Got some seed potatoes. Here go. Those look pretty interesting. 6 plant, 10 plants. Some grapes. Eggplants.